This is going to be a video tutorial on how to permanently close your LinkedIn account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To permanently close your LinkedIn account, you want to go up to the top up here, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on Account Preferences. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to the very bottom. It says Close Account. You want to click on Close Account. And it says, "We're sorry to see you go." Just as a reminder, it means that you will be losing your connections and all. You want to click on Continue. It asks for a reason why. You can check anything basically. Click on Next. Then you have to re-enter your password. Choose whether to unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications. You check this box if you want to. Then you will go down to the bottom and click on Done. And that is how to close your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching.